Research plays a vital role in Dark War survival, but not every item is equally important. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we'll share tips on basic research that doesn't consume wisdom medals. We will cover duel and battle strategy research in the Alliance Duel series. Please stay tuned. Research queue. In the beginning, we could only research one item at a time. After reaching VIP 6 and activating the VIP pass, we will gain access to the second queue for research. In other words, it will require money to maintain the second queue. Alternatively, after reaching VIP 6, we can activate a one-day VIP pass for free and begin long-term research in the second queue. For example, we could choose research that takes over 6 days to complete. Even though the VIP pass expires tomorrow, the research in the second queue will continue uninterrupted. We can repeat these steps once the research is finished to start another long-term research. Develop. Certain items in this category are essential to prioritize, while others can be postponed. Our top priority is unlocking formations 2 and 3. Once the second and third trucks are unlocked, we can complete the radar events much more efficiently and gather resources faster. Next, we should focus on military expansion and efficient training, as these are vital for speeding up troop training to fill all formations. Hospital management and masterful healers are also critical if you frequently experience attacks. Hospital management increases the hospital's capacity, allowing you to treat more wounded soldiers. If the number of wounded exceeds the hospital's capacity, it will be sent to the emergency center. Unlike hospitals, emergency centers require rubies to expedite the healing process, and there are better ways to utilize rubies than for this purpose. Masterful healers improve the healing speed, helping you save on healing time. Finally, building techniques and advanced labs provide a minimal boost in construction and research speed, so we do not prioritize them. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Economy. Research in the economy significantly enhances the resources we can acquire peacefully. If you prefer not to attack players for resources, you should focus on this category. However, if you enjoy plundering players, consider skipping this research. Peaceful resources are obtained from gathering mines on the world map and resources produced within your shelter. Once you unlock all the heavy lifting research, you can gather up to level 8 mines, which provide 20 million wood, iron, or electricity per round. Although we haven't completed all the items, we already have sufficient resources for upgrades. You can pause the economy research once you notice you have more resources than the speed up. For example, we paused at 110 out of 124 but should have paused even earlier. We have amassed 1 billion wood, iron, and electricity, all ready to be spent without plundering anyone for over 2 months. Battle. Battle research plays a crucial role in enhancing battle strength. It features over 400 levels, 4 times more than the develop or economy research. Completing this research will take time. The benefits of battle research include boosts to troop capacity, attack, defense, health points, and damage. We can't really rush everything unless we spend money. We recommend prioritizing the troop expansion to increase the troop capacity of your formation. More troops equal a stronger formation. The remaining items are essential, but we can gradually complete them after the priority items. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.